Creating authentic voices in character development. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of creative writing, specifically focusing on point of view and character development. We'll be learning about creating authentic voices for your characters, ensuring they come to life and resonate with readers. An authentic voice in creative writing refers to a character's unique way of expressing themselves. This can be seen in their dialogue, inner thoughts, reactions, and choices. A well-defined voice helps the reader feel like they are engaging with a real, multidimensional character rather than just words on a page. 1. Consistency. Ensure that the voice remains consistent throughout your story. If a character is formal and precise in one chapter, it might be jarring to see them using slang in the next, unless there's a valid reason. 2. Reflection of background. A character's background, where they come from, their education, experiences, all influence how they speak and think. 1. Listen to real conversations. Spend time listening to how people talk. This doesn't mean eavesdropping, but simply being aware in daily life. Different age groups, cultures, and professions have unique ways of speaking. 2. Write dialogue aloud. As you write, say the dialogue out loud. If it sounds unnatural, it probably is. 3. Avoid stereotyping. While characters can have certain traits based on their backgrounds, avoid making them caricatures. It's important to give depth and avoid relying on cliches. 4. Use varied vocabulary. Different characters might have different vocabularies based on their experiences and backgrounds. A scientist might use more technical terms, while a teenager might use more current slang. 1. Engagement. Readers can more easily relate to, and become invested in, characters with distinct and realistic voices. 2. Believability. Authentic voices lend credibility to your story. They make the world you're creating feel lived in and real. 3. Diversity. By creating diverse voices, you can represent a broader range of experiences and perspectives, making your story richer and more inclusive. 1. Avoiding repetition. It's easy to fall back on phrases or speech patterns you're comfortable with. To avoid this, reread your work and ensure each character has a distinct voice. 2. Overdoing accents or dialects. It's okay for characters to have accents, but avoid writing in a way that's hard to read. Instead, give hints of the accent rather than trying to capture it phonetically. 3. Staying true to voice during edits. As you edit, you might end up diluting the voice. Always keep the essence of the character in mind, even as you make changes. Creating authentic voices is crucial in bringing your characters to life and making your story resonate with readers. Remember to stay true to each character's background, be consistent, and avoid stereotypes. With practice and attention to detail, you can master the art of giving your characters a voice that feels real. We hope this video has been insightful, and we encourage you to keep writing and experimenting with character voices. Happy writing!